Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to study pinch effect. It is one of the application of magnetostatistics. The most important application of magnetostatistics is confinement of plasma. So we know what is plasma. Fourth state of matter, confinement of plasma. So we have discussed about plasma in very first chapter itself. So important application of magnetostatistics is confinement of plasma or distribution of plasma, and this is also known as pinch effect. So the word meaning pinch we know. So if this is our hand, if we pinch, what will happen? We will get the skins together like this. When we pinch like this, we will get the skins together. Means we are gathering the energy at one point when we pinch, right? So that's what we are going to see here also. So one of the main application of magnetostatistics is pinch effect. And one of the major issue in the field of nuclear fusion is also this particular confinement of plasma by electrostatistics. So in such problems, the temperature of the plasma will be very high. During pinch effect, the temperature of the plasma is very high, and therefore we cannot keep that much temperature in any of the material. So we have to separate that plasma away from the boundaries, because since it is at very high temperature, materials cannot withstand with that high temperature. So this is one of the major issue we face in the field of nuclear fusion. Now we are going to study Bennett pinch. Again, Bennett is name of the scientist, Bennett pinch. This is also known as linear confinement of plasma. So the linear pinch in its simplest form involves a long circular cylinder plasma column. So we are having uniform current. We are having an uniform current surrounded by a vacuum. It is surrounded by a vacuum. Since it is uniform current, the current density is same at all the points. Whether if we consider at this point, whatever current is here, it will be same as at this point also. So we are considering uniform current. It means we are considering uniform current density at all the points, and it produces an azimuthal magnetic field. So when we consider an axis along theta, see we are considering it forms a cylindrical flow of current. So in cylindrical, we are having axis as r, theta and phi. When we consider the magnetic field along theta, we are having r, theta and phi. If we consider along theta, that magnetic field we call it as azimuthal magnetic field. So in this current produces magnetic field inside and outside the plasma column. Inside also it is producing, and outside also it is producing magnetic field. This is our outside column and this is our inside column. So our beta B is 0, B theta and 0. We are considering along theta, therefore 0, b theta 0. Also from basic principles of magnetohydrodynamics, the current density in the presence of magnetic field B, see this is our current. The current density is denoted by J. In the presence of magnetic field B is given by J cross B. This J cross B is directed radially inward, or therefore this causes plasma column to be compressed or pinched towards the axis of the cylindrical plasma column. This effect of compression of plasma column along azimuthal means along theta axis, or the effect of compression of plasma column by azimuthal magnetic field, we call it as linear pinch effect. This linear pinch effect was studied by Bennett in the year 1934, and hence it is known as Bennett pinch also. This Bennett pinch is not stable, it is unstable. This instabilities associated with Bennett pinch are two types. One is kink instability, another one is sausage mode instability. Another one is sausage mode instability. So first we are going to consider what is kink instability. So we are considering a cylindrical current with uniform density. So here our current is passing through this, and we have a magnetic field perpendicular to this. So this is our B, and this is our along Z axis, this is our current J, this is our magnetic field B. Suppose the electric current flows entirely on the surface of plasma column in the axial direction. We are considering electrical current flows entirely on the surface of plasma column in the axial direction. Then it is in equilibrium state. There is no magnetic field inside the plasma column. See, here there is no magnetic field, but outside the magnetic field, there is no magnetic field here, but outside the current there exists a magnetic field. Inside there is no magnetic field, and outside the plasma column we have a magnetic field lines, and it is circles coaxial with the plasma column. Here we are having a current density J, and outside the plasma column we are having magnetic field which circles the plasma column in this form. Suppose if this is our cylinder, the refill which inside the pen, we are considering it as our current density. So outside this cover, means outside this blue cover, we are having some other force rotating on this. That is our magnetic field B. We are going to apply some disturbance to this plasma column, and we are going to bend it into sinusoidal form. So we are going to bend this. So this will become in this form. Our cylindrical plasma column bent into sinusoidal form due to some disturbance. So again this is our current J along Z, and what will happen to this B? B will become we will notice that along one side magnetic field lines are separated, but along another side magnetic field lines are gathered. It gathered here. So when we pinch, it will gather, right? So this effect is known as pinch effect. So due to some disturbance, we are bending the plasma column into sinusoidal form. The magnetic field lines of force are pressed together. Here it is pressed together on the concave side. This side we call it as concave side, and it is separated on convex side. Thus the magnetic field B and magnetic pressure B square by 2 mu, which keeps the plasma confined, is increased on the concave side. Here the magnetic field strength is increased compared to concave side and released on concave side. Here the magnetic field is compressed, here magnetic field force is released. Therefore the effect of pressure due to the presence of magnetic field on the surface of plasma column gives rise to a net force tending to increase the bending. This force is increased here, therefore it tends to increase the bending further. This bending leads to instability, a net pinch, and it is this effect we call it as kink instability. Another type of instability is sausage mode instability. So we hear the word sausage, it is an eatable which is of the form like this. So after disturbance, our magnetic field is going to form in this form, therefore it is known as sausage mode instability. So again we are considering a cylindrical current density, and outside this we are having a magnetic field. Now we are going to disturb this axially. After the disturbance, next may develop on the surface of the plasma. We are going to see how it is going to form. So after disturbance, this cylindrical magnetic field plasma and magnetic field becomes this form. Our cylinder will becomes, after disturbance our cylinder will become like this, and this is our current remains same with J and magnetic field. In this form. So hence if the force increases further, this will divide it into two parts. So this distributions or this distortions ultimately leads to an instability, and this type of instability we call it as sausage mode instability. So the reason for this is, we are going to see the reason for this. From Ampere's law, the uniform current flowing in axial direction produces a magnetic field. Now we are considering in the direction of theta, that is azimuthal direction. The magnetic field varies inversely as the distance from the axis increases. So B is given by mu I by 2 pi r theta using Ampere's law along the direction of theta. Here mu is magnetic permeability, I is minimum axial current, r is local radius of the plasma column. Now we are going to consider at the nex. At the nex, the strength of the magnetic field is large enough since r is small. See, magnetic field is inversely proportional to r. When r increases, magnetic field decreases. When r decreases, magnetic field increases. So compared to this place, r is less here, therefore magnetic field is high. So at the neck, the strength of the magnetic field is large enough compared to other part of the plasma column. Therefore, consequently, at this place, the magnetic pressure is I, which is given by B square by 2 mu. This is our magnetic pressure. The magnetic pressure is high at the neck of the plasma column. The large magnetic pressure at the neck, increases further uniformity of the plasma column, which tends to chop or cut itself into blobs of finite length. This instability we call it as, it will become in this form. This type of instability we call it as sausage mode instability.